Are you an HR professional? If yes, then this video is mandatory for you because I have started a YouTube channel with the name of Corporate Hub where you guys will be given tricks on HR modules and some more details regarding all the HR modules. And that would be completely free of cost. Yes, you heard it right. This would be a completely free HR training on my YouTube channel. If you are a fresher or if you are an experienced HR professional, still I think I suggest you should watch those videos. Why? Because as you know, I have 10-year experience in HR field, but maybe you have more experience than me, but my way of handling the things would be maybe better than you or maybe not better than you. I may have different solutions of case studies related to grievances handling, related to payroll, related to managing the things. So it could be a completely different scenario. So you're gonna definitely learn something new out of those videos. Till now, I have shared some basic parts of payroll training, which we can use for the Excel formulas. And apart from this, I have covered induction. Then I have covered some part of social media management. Then I have covered event management, the detailed video in which you will be given guidance how to manage the events. And one more video is coming up in your way, which will include the details, something unique if you are talking about employee engagement activities. This will not be a board video like the usual games that we are doing online and offline. This would be some unique ways how we can engage our employees. Okay. So this training will be beneficial to you in terms of recruitment and HR journalist both ways. So I suggest you should share this video to your friends, whether he or she is HR fresher, experienced one, whatever it is, it's gonna help them. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would love to give you free HR training. And one more good news is that apart from the free HR training, sometimes I can also give you free HR guidance. Why I'm using the word sometime, obviously on daily basis I won't be able to take more than 100 or 50 calls, but yes, you need to comment on my videos in the YouTube channel. I'll definitely take your number, and whenever I get time, I will definitely would love to watch your queries. I would love to solve the queries. How do I resolve your queries? Okay, let's see some examples over here. For example, you are stuck in some situation. Let's see the scenarios. Number one, your boss is giving you each and everything. Recruitment is also there, exit formalities, interview management, event management, and you are not able to find the time. This is number one situation where you get stuck. How to get out of the situation, or how you gonna manage this? Okay. Second number of situation, your employees are asking leave, or some of the major employee who's the asset of the company who's asking for a leave for more than 7 days, or let's say 3 days, but project deadline is coming up, so you're not allowed to give him the leave because your seniors, your boss is not allowing you to do the same. So how to handle this sort of situations? Now the case study number three. Sometimes you get stuck in payroll, leave and attendance. You are not able to make particular formulas on Excel. Whenever your organization have some software, that's okay. But sometimes even in small or even in middle level organizations, especially in Tri-City, people do not give any HR payroll software. So that is okay. I don't want to comment on that. That's fine. But you should know as an HR how to calculate leave and attendance on Excel sheet. What are the formulas for the same, and how you can effectively do the same so that you can save your times. Okay, so these are the things. Up out of this, what sort of case studies? Let me tell you, there are something related to the event management, because whatever the event, it's big or it's a small event, you might include some of the mistakes. Fine. So how to handle with those things which are complicated in terms of event management, how to order the snacks, from where you need to get the best vendors, and how to manage the proper events, and many more things related to the event management. Because this is a brief video, I'll be able to explain everything in detail only on the YouTube channel. Won't be able to explain the things here over here. And apart from this, recruitment is the biggest challenge nowadays. I'm gonna help you in that too. So share this video maximum, subscribe to my YouTube channel. The name is with the description box also, Corporate Hub. Thank you so much.